Yeah, I got the motor pretty much cleaned up to a start. At least now I can handle it without getting covered in grease every time I put it in on the car or whatever. Looks pretty good. I took off these extra flanges here and grind them down nice and smooth, and they came out pretty good. I'm happy with that. Got the rear subframe out. I cut the trunk bigger. I cut some of the back seat out. Again, there's no bracing in here, but I'm just going for it. I'm waiting currently for a rear subframe to come in. I did end up buying one. So once that comes in, I'll slap it underneath. I'll lower the car down, and I'll start like kind of finding out where it needs to live and go from there. So instead of focusing more on that, I'm gonna do one thing that's not necessarily important right now, but I'm gonna mess with it anyways. So I want to come over here and start doing the shift knob because I just want to play with the lathe. So this time I'm gonna do a brass shift knob. Yeah, I got my piece of brass tapped over here. I had trouble getting it to tap inside here. It kept sliding and moving in here. I couldn't get it tight enough. So I just brought it over to the vise and I put the tap. I got it like halfway started in here and then I finished it off in the vise. It's nice and good now. So I'll just get this chucked back in there and I'll start turning down some brass. So when I turn down the other side of the brass, on this side, I don't like to put this in the chuck. I think it'll put some marks in and stuff. I guess I gotta clean up afterwards, but I usually just get like a piece of this half-inch bar with half-inch 20 thread in it. I'm just gonna thread it on here like this, and I'll just thread this in since this is already tapped. Thread in like that. I can just lock it against itself. Just turn it in. Go from there. I'm currently stealing wheels off my other Mini to put on the rear subframe I just got in today, and this will be easier to wheel around some wheels. These don't really gonna fit because they're 4x100. But while we're on here, let's just appreciate the R1. I'm still pumped on all this stuff, how it came out. A little dusty. We're okay. Let's look at the back while we're here. Yeah, why not? I need to get this thing out. It's been too long. There's the rear subframe to be Miata. I fit right in there. No one knows, but this is my daily. I drive this every day. 217,000 miles. The old Corolla. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll get these wheels back on sooner than later. Alright, let's see what I got here. This is a Miata rear subframe complete assembly. It's from a 2003 5-speed. I've looked all over Marketplace, Facebook, everything. I couldn't find one for the whole month, so I ended up just buying one on eBay. my best bet. I did find 2 of them locally, but they were just rotted beyond belief. This might be a little bit wider than I wanted to be. It's at 59 inches from face to face, which I already think I'm gonna have a problem, but if I can find like a shallow offset wheel, I think I'll be all right. But at least just gotta get under there and see what it looks like and go from there. Maybe I can adjust some points. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like it was meant to be. It's not looking so scary at the moment. I got the old rim off one of my other cars here, and it's a 13-inch reel. And it seems to be hitting, I think, just this bump out right here. It's just hitting it just a little bit. So, and just grind them down a little bit, and that wheel should fit. I just got the wheels on, they're spinning nice and freely. I grind on the calipers just enough so they clear. And then I rolled it underneath. And I think we're good. I mean, it's just sitting under there all flippity floppity. I was scared it was gonna be too wide, but I think we're gonna be okay. I got an old flare right here. I thought it was gonna stick out past that like quite a bit. Nice. I think this was a solid buy. That rear subframe is so slim and so little, it'll be nice. Granted, I have to bring this up and bring out the camera in these wheels because they're just kind of floating right there. But yeah, I think that's gonna fit pretty good.